If you wear more than one hat, like managing multiple businesses, changing your tone between formal and friendly, or switching up promos, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to create multiple, specifically Gmail signatures, but you can use this in any platform and switch between them easily with just one click. Okay, let's jump over to my computer. But first, before I forget, I have created a download for you. It is 3 high converting email signature templates. So if you've not grabbed that yet, this is specifically designed for entrepreneurs. So be sure and grab that after this video. Okay, let's jump over to my computer and get it done. Okay, now we're inside my email, and what I want to show you here is how you can use multiple email signatures if you've created more than one. So, and I find it once you figure out that, having more than one email signature is possible and then all the ways to use it, it's really, really convenient. So once you've created your multiple signatures, you're just going to go, or even if you want to know how to create multiple, you're going to go to the little wheel up here in the right-hand corner where it says settings and then see all settings. And then you're going to scroll down to signature right here. And you can see in this block right here, this will show all of your email signatures that you've created. This is also the little pencil is where you can edit the name of the email signature or you can delete a signature, okay? And whichever one is highlighted, that's the one you're actually on. And you can set one or another down here to be your default, okay? And that can be for new email use, but it can also be for replies or anytime you forward. So these could be different if they needed to be. It depends on your situation. And we all of our businesses are a little different as far as how that might work, but just know that those are options, okay? So that's the way that where you go to find everything that you've created, or if you're gonna create a new one, you hit create new and you can create new signatures. And I'm sure there's a limit. I don't really, to be honest, I'm not sure what that is. And even if I quoted it now, it could be different depending on when you're watching this video, right? So you could always, just try to create it, or you may look. I don't really think though, I think the limit is high enough that you're not going to be restricted by that. So, you could have business A, business B, you could have maybe a casual tone email. You could be holiday, maybe a promo offer. And so just name them really clear like that, like, formal signature or freebie promo June, 2025 or whatever, or holiday greeting, or, if you want it to be launch ABC email, so like maybe every time you launch, you switch your email, that type of thing. So you can customize each one with its own logo, it's each call to action. Now they can have multiple links if it's something you're typing in and you're not creating it as an image, like this one is that you can see just a fraction of here. Okay, when it's an image like that and it's all one, which was created in Canva, I showed how to do this in a previous video. I can link to that below. Then that image can only have one link. Now it could have multiple things typed in it that people need to type in, but only if they click on it, it can only take them to one location, one URL. Okay. So just whatever that is, but you can toggle between signatures. So when writing an email, let's go up here, let's go back and let's go to compose. And you can see I have mine set as default to be this one. Okay. And of course, you're going to put your subject in here. And then you're going to just put your cursor where you're going to start typing. Now, if you don't have your fonts and font size saved to what you like, you can come down here and set this. If you want to set it as default, you can do that in settings as well. So I'm going to do hey there, and then we'll do this, and I'm just going to say testing this email signature. All right. Now, how do I change it? Let's say this is not the email signature I want. You come here to the bottom and you go to this little, it's like a little pin, I guess a little pin icon, and you're going to click on that. And then you see you've got all of these options, either no signature, basic with social icons. So if I click, for instance, basic, you see it's just my name and my website. If I click basic with social icons, it switches. You would think it's only adding the bottom part, but it's not. All of this was is actually, it's the basic that I had, but then I added the social icons. And let's say I wanted it to be a personal one from my husband and myself. I could switch it here, and I've got, our name and then our cell phones listed. So that could be, maybe you use it for personal and business. And then my website, which is that would mean that if a person clicks on this, it's actually going to take them to the website. There's that one. So as you can see, I can switch up the email signature really, really easily, and that makes it really nice. So that's how you actually open that. You click again on the little pin, and then you select which one you want. Okay. Now, some real use case examples. Like I mentioned, if you play multiple roles, maybe one signature is for your coaching business, maybe another one is for your digital products. So, people are emailing you and they're asking a question about coaching. Maybe you want one signature for that, but then if someone's emailing you about your digital products, maybe you want to use a different one. Maybe you're also in a network marketing company, plus you have a coaching business or a digital product business. Well, you could have one signature for your network marketing business, but then you could have another signature that's for, your digital products or your coaching business. So that is one example. Promotional rotations, you can switch out your call to action based on your current lead magnet, or if you're in a launch, which we mentioned before, maybe you want it seasonal. You add a holiday greeting or seasonal design in. You can do that with just a click. Like, how cool is that? And then the tone shift. You can have one that's a little more casual for people that, a little, that you're closer to, better and then you could have another that's a little more formal for, new contexts. And I remember back years and years ago when this was not an option in Gmail, and it was either the signature was either there or not. And if you didn't want it, you had to go through and delete it all, which was such a hassle. And mine was a call to action for a business that I was in, a network marketing business I was in at the time. And I had a family member that got really upset because they thought that I had typed all of that information in, and I was trying to get them to take a look at the business. And it was just my signature and it was permanent. But how cool would have been, and I definitely would have used that because back then it was a hassle to switch it out. But now it's so easy. You can have one that's more personal, one that's more business, and then, like I said, depending on the tone. So that's it. Like, your email signature, it can be as flexible as you need it to be. You can swap the tones, the promos, the brands without writing a new, all from scratch every single time. And what I would suggest is, as you find a need for one, create it, save it, and then you have it, for multiple uses going forward. In the next video, I'll be sharing step by step how best Gmail signature examples, like the best ones for entrepreneurs, plus some free templates. It should be popping up on your screen now, depending on when you are viewing today's video. The next one might not be available yet, but it will be next Monday if you're here the Monday before it's ready. So be sure to subscribe to my newsletter. That way I can notify you just as soon as it's available. I'll drop that link below. I don't want you to forget to be sure and grab your free copy of the 3 high converting email signature templates specifically designed for entrepreneurs. I'll drop that link below.